Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn DSA problem on leap year. Okay. So the question was check if the year is leap or not. So the general logic for the leap year, all we know is uh, it is a leap year if it is divisible by 4, right? However, there is another logic also extended logic. If the here is divisible by 100, it is not a leap year unless it is divisible by 400. So let's say uh, you are checking um, whether 2 is leap year or not. So the first condition is it need to be divisible by 4. Okay, so it fails. Okay, the second condition is if the number is in hundreds place, then it also need to divisible by 400. Okay, so with these two conditions, we will apply to find it is a leap year or not. We'll go to the coding. So the generic import statement, which is import java.util.star, and the hello world class name, and the by default main function with the command line arguments. Then here we are using scanner. Okay, scanner sc equal to new scanner of system.in. So we are creating a sc object for the already predefined scanner class so that we can take arguments from the console. Then when coming to console output, the first line it will print is enter the year. Okay, here we are printing system.out.println enter the year. Okay, the next thing we are taking the integer value using by calling next int function using the scanner object. Okay, and we are placing that integer value in a variable. Okay, so after I am entering like um, 300 value. Okay, to check if it is leap year or not. So here we are taking a boolean variable. The name was bool. You can take any other name if you didn't like it. Then first, this is the logic we are using. What's the logic here? Let us go by step. Okay. So first the new operand operator you saw was or. I already told about end operator, right, in previous video. So end is like if all are true only, it will be true. Otherwise, remaining all are false. When coming to or operator, if any one was true, irrelevant to another operator, it will be true. Okay. So this is the condition. For end operator, both the values need to be true only. For all operator, any one value need to be true, then the final result will be true. So here we are using all operator as main one and as a end operator as a minor decision control. How I will tell you. So here if a is divisible by 4 is equal to 0, that means is 300 divisible by, so yeah guys, I will tell another one thing also. Usually we'll see division operator, right? It will give you the quotient as the output. Okay, so in this we are seeing operator. Okay, modulus operator. Okay, so what it will from the operation, it is also from division operation only, but it will give the remainder as output. Okay, that means if let's say assume 4 divided by 2. Okay, so generally what we know output is 2. That means 2 2s are 4. The quotient was 2. Okay, but when coming to modulus operator, the output is 0. That means remainder is 0, right? Okay, so that is the difference between division and modulus operator. Okay, so what we are doing here, using modulus operator. Here is divisible by 4, means is 300 divisible by 4? No, it is not uh, divisible by 4. So the remainder must not be 0. It will come some other number. Okay, so it is not equal to 0. So it is false. Okay, so the first condition was false. And then here divisible by 100 not equal to 0. That means this is step 1. Okay, step 2 is here not divisible by 100. No, it is also false. Why? Because let me tell you, 300 is divisible by 100 and the quotient is 3. Okay, and remainder is 0. So we are getting remainder here. Okay, so the 300 by 100 here modulus 100 is equal to 0 actually. Okay, so 300 modulus 100 is equal to 0, but you are saying it is not equal to 0. That means it is also false. Okay, this is step 2. Coming to step 3, here di- divisible by 400 is equal to 0. Okay, 300 by 400 is equal to 0. That is also false. Definitely, you will not get remind it is not divisible. Sorry, modulus. This is also modulus only. All are modulus in this uh, logic. Okay, so 300 modulus 400 is equal to 0. No, because it is not divisible, right? So you will get reminder as some other thing other than 0. So it is also false. So false, false, false. So the output is false only for us. So it will this false output. So see, you will confuse if I write like this and down. I will write here itself. See, this is false, this is false, and this is also false. The output is false only. So it will store in the boolean variable and it will print here. Leap year is false. Okay. So this is the logic. If I have to tell in a layman term, simply what we are doing is, let me tell you. In first condition, we are checking. Hey guys, is the number is divisible by 4 or not. That is one condition. Yes, it is divisible by 4. In that only you are making sure that it is not the number which is in 100 place. That means it is not the number like 100, 200, 400 or 279, whatever it is. Because I told you, right, this divisible by 4 does not apply to hundreds value. Okay, that's why you are checking it is divisible by 4 and uh, the number is not in the hundreds value. Okay, that's why it is not equal to 0. See, we are expecting the remainder must not be equal to 0. That means the number is below 100, like 79, something like that, 99, whatever it is. Okay, that is one condition. If that means this is the first condition. If number is divisible by 4, then it is it must be below 100, like that. Okay, that is first condition. The second condition, or else if number is in hundreds value, like 279, 374, whatever it is, then it need to divisible by 400. Understood? Simple, only 2 points. If the number is below 100, it need to divisible by 4. No, if the number is in hundreds value, yeah, it can be thousands also. Yes, 979 or 979, 9, whatever it is. Hundreds value means it is more than 100. Okay, then it need to be divisible by 400. Okay, so these two conditions we are checking, and the output will appear like this. Enter the year 2017 and it will print the leap year is false or true with the billion value. Okay, so that's it, guys, for the today class.